Hey guys, Fatima here. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you kung paano mag-create ng MB2 account. So if you are Pag-ibig member at may at least 24 months contribution na, you are qualified to create Pag-ibig MB2 account. Pero bago ang lahat, don't forget to subscribe if bago ka pa kayo sa aking channel. If you're interested, please keep on watching. So first, punta tayo sa Google at type natin ang pagibigfundservices.com. So ito yung website nila at i-direct tayo dito and then click natin ang box na we have to agree the data privacy as well as Pag-ibig Fund Privacy Policy. Tapos tap natin ang next. Tapos punta tayo dito sa ibaba at hanapin natin ang Modified Pag-ibig 2 Program or MP2. So let's wait lang tayo dahil mag-verify pa ang kanilang website. So make sure na may strong connection ang internet natin. And then click natin ang MP2 Savings Enrollment. So dito, fill in lang tayo na ating mga details, katulad ng ating Pag-ibig med number, last name, first name, at date of birth. Then copy mo ito ang code, then tapos click natin ang submit. So ito na yung details natin. As you can see, dito sa gilid makikita natin ang continue to enroll a new account. Dahil may MP2 na ako, kaya may nakalagay dito na meron na akong existing account. So click natin ang continue. So, i-landscape mo lang ang CP mo para makita mo ito. Dito naman ilagay mo ang desired monthly contribution mo na hindi bababa ng 500 pesos. Ito ay voluntary lamang kung kailan mo gustong hulugan. Kung gusto mo monthly o isang bagsakan, ay pwedeng-pwede dito. Tapos, click natin ang preferred dividend payout. So, may two choices, annually or 5-year end term. So, if you choose annually, ang dividend lamang makuha mo every year, hindi kasali ang capital mo dahil nakalock in ito for 5 years. So, for example, we put 10,000 by January. So, at the end of the year, kung magkano ang amount ng dividend mo, ayun lang talaga ang makukuha mo. So, for example, 700. So, by the December, you can withdraw it sa mga branches ng Pag-ibig. Dahil hindi na ito mag-earn pa ng dividends, so dapat kunin mong dividends mo annually. At dapat alam mo ang difference ng annual payout and 5-year end term. So if you choose 5-year end term, ay after 5 years pa itong makuha kasama na ang principal at ang dividend nito. At dito naman tayo sa mode of payment, merong salary deduction, over the counter, and through accredited Pag-ibig collecting partners. So, pili ka lang sa tatlo kung saan ka mas convenient na magbayad. So, next naman ang source of funds natin. Meron ditong employment income, savings, deposits, property sale, other investments, loans, company sale, company profits, dividends, gifts, maturity or surrender of life policy, or other income sources. So, just choose one. After that, click mo na ang submit. So, ito na ang ating downloadable form. Pwede natin itong i-print at please keep natin ito for future use. So please remember that Pag-ibig MP2 is a special savings with a 5-year maturity, a long-term investment na hindi mo ito basta-basta ma-withdraw. Dapat pag-isipan mo ito, hindi ito dapat gawin pang emergency fund. And of course, ito ay guaranteed ng ating government at taxpayer. So before you invest, alamin muna natin ang kanilang pros and cons. Take note that investment is very risky. Dito sa upper right, ito ang ating account number. So, pwede ka na maghulog sa any partner merchants ng Pag-ibig at mag-reflect ito sa ating account within 3 to 7 banking days. So, that's an easy step to create Pag-ibig MP2 via online.